Mr. Campus Star. First runner-up, candidate number 3.
Is candidate number 8.
The award to be given by the advisory instructor team now. And now, who will be our little Mr. and Miss Campus Star Online, Junior Mr. and Miss Campus Online, and Mr. and Miss Campus Star Online. Our little Mr. Campus Star 2009 from nursery to grade 2. Category Little Mr. Campus Star. Candidate number 5. Congratulations.
Congrats.
And our Little Miss Campus Star 2009 is candidate number 5.
Wow, congratulations, little Mr. and little Miss Campus Star Online. We proceed to the junior category from grade 3 to grade 6. Junior Mr. Campus Star 2009, candidate number 2. And the advisor is Miss Joven Maria.
And our Junior Miss Campus Star 2009 is candidate number 4.
Miss Joven. Miss, sa gitna.
The advisor is Ida Malandras. And now let's have the last, and definitely not the least award. This is the Mr. and Miss Campus Star 09. Sino kaya? Kumilusin ng malalim, mga kaibigan. Our Mr.
Sana.
Campus Star. Mr. Campus Star, candidate number 1.
Congrats!
From first year Birchlands under the supervision of Mr. Jack Lapay. Congratulations, Mr. Campus Star.
And of course, if we have the Mr. Campus Star 2009, we do have the Miss Campus Star 2009. And our Miss Campus Star 2009
One!
is candidate number
One! One! Wow, ganda naman eh.
Of course, our Miss Campus Star 2009 is ready number 1!
Again, our first impressions, congratulations.
I love you, sister!